Walt Detlefson here with Linkswell, here on today's Driven to talk to you about 5 of the most frequently asked questions about our products and our company. Our products are designed and developed here in the U.S. for U.S. vehicles. The components and the products that we use on our products are high quality products. When we first introduced our units way back when, 7 years ago, we anticipated the guy with the little 4-inch screen wanting to just get a larger screen. But as our business has grown, more and more of the Platinum owners, the Denali owners have requested our units, which has required us to use better components, higher quality components to give them the quality features, the quality sound, and the quality look. We have a couple of ways to help you figure out the application for your vehicle. One of the ones that I like best is the fact that you can call us. You can call our office. We have staff here that's familiar with our products, knows what fits. But we also have on our website, we have the ability for you to do a application search, where you can go in, search the make of the vehicle, the model, the year, and then we show you what specific products we have available for that vehicle. We also have on our price sheets. Our price sheets not only work as a price sheet, but they also are an application guide. Now, recently, we just redesigned our price sheets, a little bit better look, and we've now also included a application one that we took all the pricing off, so you can share this with your customers, with everybody in your store and not worry about the pricing getting out there. We have a display module that we offer for the dealers, and it can be as a freestanding display, or you can order it as a countertop. Now, we consider this an investment, and what we offer to our dealers is you purchase the display with the radio of your choice. And then for the next 90 days, we give you a percentage off of any purchase of T-Style radios. It doesn't have to be the same model as the one on the display, but any of our current T-Style radios, we can give you a discount off of that to help offset the cost of that display. So again, it's more of an investment type of deal. Currently, in our office here in Southern California, we have 4 technicians that are on staff. These guys, they have a variety of different levels of ability. We have previous installers, and we also have gamers. And, you know, the reason why we have the gamers is our radios, the radios install just like any other radio out there. So we really don't get a lot of the questions on how do you put this in. It's more, how do you make it work? And that's where these gamers come in, because they know how to play with these things. They know how to change stuff and all that. And, you know, again, these guys are here in our office in Southern California. And we're not, you know, obviously we do have contact with our engineers in our factory in China. They have what's called WeChat. Whenever there's an issue that they cannot figure out, they will throw out on WeChat, hey, I've got this 2018 Ford F-150, AC's doing this type of deal. And there'll be times where our engineers, even during the day, even though they're supposed to be asleep, they'll be answering to help us out. But so we have not only people here in the U.S., but we also have our people in our factory. So we can offer one of the best technical supports out of any other company here with selling these types of radios. Our products are designed and developed here in the U.S. Our engineers will come over here 2-3 times a year. We will line up vehicles for product development and testing and that. And the vehicles here in the U.S. are different than they are in other countries. We had a situation where we were doing our IQ radios. We found out that the Toyota Corolla, there are 4 different models throughout the world, and depending on what location you're at. So it's really important that when you're developing the products, especially our types of products, because we're not only a fit and finish type of deal, but we're tying into the CAN bus and that, to the electronics and to the components. And the components here in the US are different than the ones are in Europe, or Africa and Asia and other areas. So if you're not developing the product for the cars here, they're going to have a problem working here. The fact that we own our factory in China allows us to make the changes and whatever is necessarily needed to make the product work properly here in the US. When we first started developing our company, we were selling camera and navigation interfaces. We were brought a couple of units, a 12.1 inch Ford unit and a 10.4 inch Dodge Ram unit for testing and that, for evaluation. When we tested these units, the Bluetooth was very poor. The radio reception was really bad, the tuner that they were using. When we asked the factory to make a change to those, they refused to do that. And that is when I went to our factory and asked them if this was something that we could do. And after a few weeks of research, we realized that we could. So 90 to 95% of the products that we offer here in the US are made by our factory, which we have total control over. We make the changes. One of the things, again, I go back to the fact that originally we anticipated the guy with the little 4-inch screen wanting to upgrade their radio. But again, the guys with the Denalis and the Platinums, and these guys require a little bit better sound quality. So we've added a SPDIF cable, digital audio output for our units. We've got 4-volt output RCAs that allow you to enhance the sound quality of our units. And again, this is stuff that's more required here in the US. Yes, they do systems like this in Asia and other parts of the world, but we want it more than anybody else does here in the US. Again, this is Walt Detlefsen with Linkswell Automotive Inc. I hope you've learned a little bit more about our company. Again, we have our website, which is www.linkswellinc.com. A lot of information on there. Please feel free to go to that. Also, we are here in the US. Please feel free to give us a call. We have people here on staff that can help you out. Again, we do a lot of our development and stuff like that. One of the new pieces that we're coming out with, we've just introduced our new 15.6 inch screen. We've also got this one here, which is a little bit bigger, which we'll have more information later on. Again, thank you for your time, and I hope we were able to answer some of your questions.